How to find out where your Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is made from. So there are quite a lot of clues to find out where your device is made from. The easiest way is to, on your Note 8, you just turn it around, and at the bottom here, it tells you where it is manufactured. So you can see here, it says manufactured in Vietnam. So that is the factory where they built all the Samsung phone. Now another thing you can look is at the charger. On the charger, it can also tell you where it's made from. Now of course sometimes just because the charger is made in one country doesn't mean the phone is made in that same country, but most of the time they go hand in hand. So if the charger is made in Vietnam, the phone is also made in Vietnam. So there you go. So you can look at the phone itself, turn over, or look at the charger, or you can even look at the box itself. So look at the box for clue to see where it says where it's made from. So I'm just going to check on the box here. Sometimes they put it on the box and you can tell. Okay, in this case, looking at the box, it doesn't tell me where it's made from. There's no clue, there's no writing on the box. So let's see under the cover. So this cover here got the Note 8 logo. So it still doesn't tell you where it's made from. I can't spot it. So the only way you can tell by looking at the device itself. So the box doesn't tell you where it's made from. Only on the device itself you can actually tell where it's made from. And you probably can check by the serial number as well and the ME number. So once we look at the ME number, we can actually tell the origin of the country as well. And that's it. That's how you can tell where your Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is made from. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.